Hello, we are getting ready to make a tissue holder. Who knew you needed one? But there you go. There's tissue in there. We just put this one together. You need simple 2 pieces of fabric. One is 6 by 7 inches. This is the outer layer, and the lining piece is a larger piece. It is 6 by 8.5 inches. So, and I'll post those measurements in the supplies, so you'll keep up with that. But this is the lining piece. It's larger, and this is what it's going to look like. Let's get going. First, we're going to stitch right sides together, each side here, and then we're going to stitch this side here. It is longer, but you're going to stitch this side, and then you're going to go over here and stitch. And you're going to stitch right at 1/4 inch. And then stitch the other side, 1/4 inch. So you stitch both sides, and see how the lining is larger? So turn. Just lay it out so that you can iron. Yep, just iron the edges. Okay, you see this is the outside and this is where the lining is. And then we're going to fold in both sides to the middle. Okay, and then press that down. Oh, easy. Oh, didn't catch that. Okay, and then we're going to go back to the machine and we're going to stitch down this side and stitch down this side. Okay. Stitch down both sides, the same 1/4 inch. Okay. And then what we want to do, we want to make that box pleat on the side. And it's really easy. If you look closely, what I'm going to do is trim that corner. See? Trim those corners like kind of diagonal so it'll be easy and won't be too bulky. It is a tiny item. So let's just trim these corners down. Okay. And then just open this up. Yeah. Like working on baby clothes. Okay. You want to stitch down maybe about 3/8 of an inch. You need to mark right here. So get your seam gauge and do about 3/8 and mark that and stitch right across here on all 4 sides. And I'll go backwards a little. So after you've pinched and stitched all 4 corners, just so it won't, again, so it won't be so bulky, let's just cut the little ears off. That's what I call them. Okay, and then return it. Just kind of poke it out with your fingers. It's not that much bulk, so you don't have to do too much. And depending on the fabric, it'll behave differently. Is that the cutest little thing? And it's a cute tissue. Great for little gifts. Great for just little treats. Somebody you know that always carries tissue. You know that person that always carries tissue. Give them something cute to put in. So when they bring it out, like, oh, my girlfriend made this for me. Thank you. Happy sewing.